Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So just a quick video to answer a question I've seen coming up in the comments over the last couple of days. And the question is, how did you get Copilot on Windows 10 in your taskbar? Now, although this is a so-called feature which I'm still officially waiting for from Microsoft to roll out, because this was an official feature in an update and updates that rolled out a couple of months ago using a controlled rollout, and most, including myself, haven't got the official Copilot app. So to answer the question, this is not Copilot that's bundled by default in Windows 10. This is the web app. So if you want to know how you can pin the web app, the PWA progressive web app of Microsoft Copilot to your Windows 10 taskbar, just a quick video to show you how to do that. Now, if you are running Microsoft Edge, and by the way, I'm just going to be using Edge and Chrome for the purpose of this video. It's a very similar process in most web browsers. So in Edge, just head to Microsoft Copilot, and then you would head to your apps, which is also found here in the main menu. So head to your apps, and you just say install this site as an app. There we go. And click on install, and it can always be uninstalled at a later stage. So that'll just take a second or two. And there we go. There's our web app. So I can pin to taskbar. I can pin to start. I'm going to uncheck pin to start, allow, and there we go. So if I close that, there we go. There's my Copilot app, and I can just drag that anywhere according to my own personal choice and preference. So there we go. That's how you can launch Microsoft Copilot directly from your taskbar in Windows 10 if you are still waiting, like me, for the official Copilot to roll out to Windows 10. So that's how you do it in Edge. So if you want to move over to Google Chrome, open up Copilot, but for Google Chrome, we have to head once again to our main menu, and you would scroll down to Save and Share, and click on Install Page as App. There we go, Install Copilot, and there we go. And then what you can do, would you like to pin Copilot to your taskbar? Yes. And there we go. So you've got the idea. Here's my Edge Copilot, progressive web app, and here's my Google Chrome. So that's just showing you in either browser how you can do it. And there we go. In Google Chrome, you can launch Copilot if you are using the chatbot on a regular basis directly from your taskbar as well. And if we actually head to the shortcut it's created on the desktop, we can also pin that to start if you were also wanting to do that as well. And then if you want to unpin, you just right click and unpin from taskbar. So that's just to answer that question. That's how you can make Copilot accessible from your taskbar in Windows 10 while you are still waiting for the official Copilot to roll out to the OS. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.